In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the West Elm Credit Card online portal for making payments. Managing your credit card payments online can be convenient and straightforward once you know the right steps. And today, I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy to follow way. First, let's get started by visiting the West Elm Credit Card login page. You'll want to open your internet browser and type in the web address westlm.capitalown.com. This is the dedicated website you'll be using to access your account, so it's important to make sure you're on the correct website to ensure the security of your information. Once you are on the website, you'll notice that the login interface is designed for simplicity and ease of use. Next, you'll need to enter your login details. These include your username and your password. If this is your first time, remember that these credentials would have been set up when you initially signed up for your card or when you registered for online access. Make sure you enter this information carefully to avoid any login issues. Keep in mind the importance of maintaining password security. Using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols can significantly enhance your account's protection. After entering your information, go ahead and click the Sign In button. This will grant you access to your account's dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, the next step is to make your payment. You're going to want to find the option labeled Make a Payment or sometimes Pay Bill. These options are typically easy to find on your account dashboard, but their exact locations can vary depending on the layout and updates to the website's interface. When you find this option, click on it to enter the payment portal. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. This usually involves selecting your payment amount, which can be either the minimum due, the full balance, or another amount, and confirming your preferred payment method and date. Make sure all the details, especially those about the payment method and amount, are correct before confirming the payment. This step is crucial, as it avoids mistakes that might affect your payment schedule or incur unnecessary fees. Once everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the payment. You should receive a confirmation either on the screen or via email, signifying that your payment has been successfully scheduled or completed. And that's it. You've just logged into your West Elm credit card account and made a payment online. Keep this process in mind the next time you need to manage your payments, as a little practice makes the process even quicker and smoother. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need more guidance.